Greetings fam, if you're stepping into serious heat pressing work and want something that feels more industrial than beginner craft gear, this one is a heavy-duty beast worth looking at. Tap that link in bio and check out why the YFTOHI 10-ton hydraulic heat press is getting attention for high-pressure precision work. I went deep into research for this machine, checking industrial heat press specs, manufacturing tool listings, user feedback, and real-world workshop discussions across the internet to understand how it performs outside of just product descriptions. What stands out immediately is that this is not a typical t-shirt heat press, it's closer to a compact hydraulic pressing system designed for high pressure and precision applications. At its core, this machine uses a 10-ton hydraulic jack system to generate pressure, which is far higher than standard clamshell or swing-away heat presses. That level of force is mainly used for applications where strong bonding is required, things like labels, small sublimation items, thick materials, and industrial-style heat transfer work. The dual 6x6-inch heating plates allow controlled heating from both sides, improving consistency compared to single-plate systems. The smart LCD control system is another important feature. It displays real-time temperature and timing, allowing repeatable settings once you dial in your workflow. Based on product specs, the machine can heat quickly to working temperatures and maintain stable output for consistent pressing cycles, which is important when doing repetitive production work. One of the biggest advantages highlighted in technical breakdowns is portability compared to full industrial presses. Despite the high pressure capability, the unit is still compact enough for tabletop or workshop use, making it appealing for small businesses that need industrial-style results without investing in large pneumatic or factory-scale equipment. In real-world usage, machines like this are often used for small-item precision pressing rather than full apparel production. That includes things like heat transfer labels, small accessories, specialty materials, and experimental production work where pressure control matters more than large surface coverage. Users in similar hydraulic press categories consistently mention that pressure consistency is the main advantage over cheaper manual presses. Another key point is the dual heating plate setup. Unlike single heat presses, having controlled heat from both sides helps reduce uneven bonding, especially when working with thicker or multi-layer materials. Combined with the hydraulic pressure system, it creates a much more controlled pressing environment compared to standard hobby machines. Now let's be real, because this is where expectations matter. This is not a beginner-friendly heat press. It requires manual hydraulic operation, which means you're physically generating pressure using a jack system, not pressing a button or using automation. That also means more effort per cycle and a slightly slower workflow compared to auto or pneumatic presses. Another limitation is size. The 6x6-inch platen is very small, which means it's strictly for compact items. You cannot use it for t-shirts, hoodies, or large apparel designs. It's specialized equipment, not an all-in-one solution. It also takes some learning to balance pressure, temperature, and timing correctly, especially for consistent production results. There are also general trade-offs with hydraulic systems. While they provide high force, they are not as fast or scalable as pneumatic industrial presses. For high-volume production businesses, pneumatic or automated systems are still more efficient in the long run. Overall, the YFTOHI 10-ton hydraulic heat press is best suited for precision-focused users, small production setups, or creators working with compact materials that need strong, controlled pressure. It's powerful, compact, and capable of serious force, but it only makes sense if your workflow is small format and you actually need industrial-level pressure rather than speed or large-scale production. Click the link below for the best price.